So all you need for this is a ruler, you need a compass, and you need a pen. And we're going to make a circle. The first part of the circle is you need the center. So we're gonna find that part right there, and we're gonna make a dot. Alright, so here you have a dot. Make it a little bigger. And that's your center of the circle. So now we're gonna make all the points equidistant to that center. So I'm just gonna pick a point. I'm gonna pick a point where I see a 1. So I'm gonna pick that point right there, and I'm going to draw a circle right around. Now, really important to hold the disc nice and steady when you make a circle. So now I have a beautiful circle right here. So what the next thing to do is to make a diameter. To make a diameter, all you need is the center point, and you attach it to the circle. So you're going to cut that circle right in half using the diameter. The next part is we're going to cut it into the circle into as many pieces as possible, so we can cut them out and form some sort of area that we're used to seeing. So the first is we need to make a right angle. But if you notice with this, you can't really make a right angle like that. So what we're going to do is use a ruler. We're going to put it against the line at the center of the circle, exactly on top of that line, and make a point to make a perpendicular line. So now I need 2 points to make a line. So I'm going to use those 2 points to construct a line. And if you notice, now we have 4 right angles. So now I want to make more parts. So I'm going to use this point right here and this point right here, and find the distance between the 2 points in order to figure out what the midpoint is. So this distance is about 6.78. So 6.8 divided by 2 is 3.4. So here's my 3.4. I make a point there. And then I make another line. So if you notice, what happens now is that I'm cutting the circle exactly in half again once more time. So I'm going to do the same thing here. This distance should be about 6.8 again. Yep, it is. And now I'm making another point. There we go. So now I'm going to have all 8 sections. Let's continue doing that for 16. So I'm just going to show you one more example. So here we have about 3.6. So notice how I'm rounding it off so it's an even number in the back, so I can cut it in half. 3.6 divided by 2, so that's 1.5, and 0.3, so that's 1.8. So 1.8 right here, and then I'm cutting it in half one more time. And once you're done with the whole thing, you're going to get 16 slices, which you will be able to use later on in order to form a rectangle and find the area of that. Well, that was it.